Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge AC in 2011 Kia Sorento. Start by parking on level ground, engine off, and safety glasses on. Locate the low-pressure service port near the accumulator and wipe it clean. Attach a gauge set to the port and compare readings to manufacturer specs. Add refrigerant slowly while monitoring pressures and cabin temperature until performance improves and readings match the specs. If uncertain, consult a pro for safety and legal compliance. You'll want to gather a few essential items before you begin so the job goes smoothly. Bring a manifold gauge set, a compatible refrigerant can with a regulator, a leak detector, safety glasses, and gloves. Check your vehicle manual to confirm the correct refrigerant type for this Kia Sorento. Also have basic hand tools and a torque wrench ready to access the service port and secure fittings properly during the procedure. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping for effortless tidy-ups. It's great for crumbs and dust around your car and garage. Check the description for the link and other deals to save on your purchase. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start the car and set the AC to max cool and fan speed high, then record baseline low and high side pressures. Turn the engine off, connect the gauge set to the low pressure port, and ensure all connections are tight. Evacuate any air by following the gauge and regulator instructions, then add refrigerant in short bursts while monitoring pressures and cabin cooling. Recheck system performance, inspect for leaks, and tighten or replace fittings if needed before finishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.